The Ford Model T, introduced in 1908, revolutionized the automobile industry. Designed by Henry Ford, it was the first car built for mass production using the moving assembly line, drastically reducing costs. This made automobiles affordable for the average American, transforming transportation forever. Nicknamed the Tin Lizzie, the Model T became a symbol of progress and innovation in the early 20th century. Powered by a 2.9-liter inline-4 engine, the Model T produced 20 horsepower and could reach a top speed of around 45 miles per hour. It was simple, reliable, and easy to repair, making it ideal for rural America. The high ground clearance allowed it to handle rough roads, while its lightweight steel frame contributed to durability and efficiency. Ford's assembly line, introduced in 1913, allowed the Model T's price to drop significantly over the years. In 1908, it cost about $850, but by the 1920s, the price had fallen to under $300. This made car ownership accessible to millions, fueling America's growing love affair with automobiles and fundamentally changing society. Between 1908 and 1927, over 15 million Model Ts were produced, making it one of the best-selling cars of all time. Its influence on manufacturing, mobility, and the global economy is still felt today. The Model T didn't just put America on wheels, it reshaped the world, proving that automobiles could be a tool for the masses rather than a luxury for the wealthy.